Welcome to How Learn AI Buddy. Hi, thank you for subscribing. Your support means a lot to me and encourages me to keep creating content. My channel provides fast and easy to follow tutorials on how to use AI for beginners, as well as practical applications such as how to make money from AI, how AI can help our jobs, and how to use AI to simplify our daily lives. My channel focuses on exploring new AI tools, providing step-by-step tutorials, and creating video series on how to use these tools. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of AI or want to explore its applications further, my channel has got you covered. Stay tuned for more exciting AI content. This month focus on 1. How to make video with AI video generator, text to video, free AI video generator. 2. Canva AI, GPT-4o, Claude 3, ChatGPT, AI animation, Canva AI, Sora AI, Luma AI, Flux AI.
This AI tool is currently in beta version and free to use. With this tool, you can make any photo say anything you want in 1 minute or less. In this 2-minute video, I will show you how I create talking avatars from these 4 photos and show you the results. So, let's get started. Part 1, Hedra AI. Go to the Hedra AI official website. You can find the link in this video's description. Click the Try Beta button. After that, click the Sign in to Use button, and you can continue using your Google account. A safety reminder. Always use your secondary Google account when trying out new websites, tools, or services. This helps protect your primary account and personal information from any potential risks. Part 2, Create Talking Photo. To make your photo talk with this AI, first, type your script in the script bar. You can also upload your audio file to use your own voice. After that, select the AI voice actor from the list. Never mistake motion for action. The greatest gospel concert the world has ever witnessed is coming. Failure doesn't mean you are a failure. It just means you haven't succeeded. It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn. Failure doesn't mean you are a failure. It just means you haven't succeeded yet. Now, upload your photo by clicking the Upload button. Click Generate Video to start generating your AI video. Here are some examples of talking photos I have generated using this AI tool. Arena is a comprehensive platform showcasing the latest AI advancements and applications. Arena is a comprehensive platform showcasing the latest AI advancements and applications. Arena is a comprehensive platform showcasing the latest AI advancements and applications. AI Tools Arena is a comprehensive platform showcasing the latest AI advancements and applications. Part 3. AI Generated Avatar. You can also generate an avatar for free using this tool. First, type your script and select your AI voice actor. After that, describe the details about the AI avatar you want to generate in the prompt bar. Click the Create button to start generating your AI avatar. If you don't like the result, click the Generate button to regenerate your AI avatar. After you are satisfied with the result, click Generate Video to start generating your AI video. Here is the resulting video from this part. Arena is a comprehensive platform showcasing the latest AI advancements and applications.